My name is Waleed Al Hardan. I'm an orthopedic surgeon specializing in total joint replacement as well as adult hip and knee revision reconstructive surgery. I do offer my patients robotic assisted surgeries during a hip or knee replacement as well as revision surgery. I do believe that every patient deserves an individualized kind of approach to his or her problem. Every patient has different expectations. I don't believe in telling a patient, you need surgery, you need an injection, you need just physical therapy. I do discuss the pathology in details, show them x-rays. It's just a teamwork for me. Like, it's not only that I'm giving the plan of care. No, it has to be shared, and it's a shared decision, and the patient has to make that decision. Being involved in a community hospital such as Noyes Memorial, which is where I practice now, the idea of having this kind of practice and helping people in the community with all the skill set that I have is just rewarding for me to be able to combine both a community practice plus being able to continue my passion in teaching and being a part of academics. That was perfect for me. You gave me all these opportunities, and I'm very glad that I'm here.